Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Mindy Banks. I'm the Flip Flop Chef. Today I want to show you how to make Kahlua and cream, and Kahlua whipped cream. So I've already made a batch of Kahlua ahead of time so that it had a chance to cool off and also so that I could refrigerate it overnight. So we're going to use this batch of Kahlua, but I'm going to show you how to make a batch from scratch. And I'm also going to show you how to make a Kahlua and cream drink as well as Kahlua whipped cream. So if this is your first time watching my video, thank you so much for being here. Please click the subscribe button on this page so that you'll be notified anytime I have new content. And also be sure to go to theflipflopchef.com, click the button at the top to join my recipe community so that you have access to thousands of recipes and also my weekly giveaway. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our Kahlua. And you need coffee to do this. You could use hot brewed coffee, but I like to use cold brew because it makes the Kahlua and cream even smoother. So I have several videos on my channel that show you how to make the cold brew coffee. So this is a batch that I've had brewing for about 24 hours. So you're gonna just take out the filter. I'm gonna let some of that drain off. And then we're gonna we're gonna pour the coffee from the cold brew pitcher into a saucepan. And we're gonna put this on high heat so we can heat up the coffee. And I do recommend that you brew your cold brew for 24 hours. 12 hours is long enough, but I do recommend 24. So I'm gonna move this over to my burner, turn this on high to get it heated up. And then we're gonna add 4 cups of sugar and some vanilla. So you could take a couple of vanilla beans if you like and scrape out the beans. I don't have any fresh vanilla beans right now, so I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons of Pampered Chef's double strength vanilla extract. Now you could use half of the amount because it is a double strength extract, but I always like to use the full amount. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just pour in 4 cups of sugar. And that was in our small batter bowl. I'm going to take our mini whipper and just whisk this sugar. Get it dissolved, and we're going to add 2 teaspoons Pampered Chef vanilla, and this is double strength, so you could cut it to 1 teaspoon if you're using the double strength extract. But any other extract, make sure you're definitely using 2 teaspoons. All right, so I've seen different ways of making homemade Kahlua. Some have you add in the alcohol when it is still boiling, but you could do that, but you're going to cook off some of the alcohol if you leave it on there very long. And so I have started adding it after I remove it from the heat. So we're just going to let this sit for just a little bit. And while we wait for that, I'm going to go ahead and measure out 1.5 cups of vodka. Now, anytime you're making a drink like this, cooking especially, you don't want to use really expensive alcohol. You could use a higher quality alcohol if you like in something like this, since it's going to be a drink, but really any vodka that you have on hand will be fine. So we're going to measure out 1.5 cups of vodka. And then this will be ready to go in when this is finished. So while I wait for that, I want to show you our cocktail set. Give this a stir. It's getting ready to boil. I'm going to show you our premium cocktail set. So you're going to get there 2 cups. You get your jigger. It comes with a swivel spoon, a tamper, and a bottle opener. So all of these pieces come in Pampered Chef's premium cocktail set. And for this recipe, we're going to do 2 parts Kahlua, 2 parts heavy cream. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to put some ice in the larger cup, and I keep my ice in this insulated serving bowl. It's really meant for hot foods, but it will also keep things cold. So if you need an ice bucket in a pinch, you could certainly use this, and it'll keep that ice frozen for an extended period of time. All right, we're going to do, I'm just going to occasionally stir this. We're going to measure out 2 parts Kahlua. I'm going to use our jigger, and this jigger is a 2-ounce jigger. So this is going to be 4 ounces Kahlua, 4 ounces of heavy cream. So this is gonna make a tall or 2 short drinks. So 1, 2. By the way, this is a huge batch of Kahlua, so I've already shared some of that and I will be sharing some more, because I don't need all that. And we're gonna do 2 parts heavy cream, and I may have to open another, I have another one out because we're gonna need it for the whipped cream. Yeah, we only got like 1.5. So let me open a new one. We're gonna use this for our Kahlua whipped cream too. All right, so 2 parts Kahlua, 2 parts heavy cream. And you can adjust that if you wanna do 1 part cream, 2 parts Kahlua, and you could certainly do that. All right, so let me stir this real quick before we shake up our drink. So when you're shaking with the premium cocktail set, make sure that the shorter glass is what goes on the top, and you're gonna put it in at an angle, because if you put it straight on the top, it's going to suction and you're not gonna be able to get it out. So we're gonna just shake this. Now when your hands start getting really cold, you know your drink is really cold. So you're gonna pop that top off, and you can serve this a couple of ways. I managed to not bring my strainer over here, so let me grab that and show you guys. Well, it is hiding. I don't know where I put it. It's in the dishwasher. Yep, I left it in the dishwasher. Okay, so you can use the strainer on the top to strain through the ice. However, for this drink, I recommend that you just pour the ice in the cup too. So we're just gonna pour this in. Make a fun drink, right? There is your Kahlua and cream. So let's come back over here to our pot. Our coffee is nice and hot. The sugar has dissolved. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. And then I will pour in 1.5 cups of vodka. I'm gonna just let this sit for just a little bit before I do that. Let's make our whipped cream. We're gonna use Pampered Chef's immersion blender, and this is part of the Flex Plus set. So if you're not familiar with the immersion blender, I have a whole playlist on my channel showing you how to make this. So we're gonna need 1 cup of heavy cream. So our immersion blender container has measurement markings on here. So we're gonna pour this to the 8-ounce mark. 8 ounces heavy cream. We're gonna add 2 ounces of Kahlua. So I'm gonna take my little jigger. Remember, this is a 2-ounce jigger, so it makes it easy, and there are measurement markings. There are lines engraved on the inside. We'll put our Kahlua in there. And then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Take our immersion blender, we're gonna add our power stick and add the battery on the top, and we're gonna make our whipped cream. So let's go ahead and do this. Press the safety switch, increase the speed to the highest. If you've watched me, I've made whipped cream so many times. Hopefully by now you guys know how to make it, but you'll be able to see, or excuse me, you'll be able to hear the sound change when this gets thick. So check this out. We have amazing thick Kahlua whipped cream. You can put this on top of hot chocolate. Of course, not for the kids. This is a great storage container. You could also, I'm gonna set this, let's see. Set this there and I'll scrape that out in just a bit. You could also use this as like a cake topping. If you wanted to put this on top of a chocolate cake or a chocolate cupcake, you could use that whipped cream as a lighter icing. So you definitely have some options. Get creative. You could eat it with a spoon if you wanted to do that. I'm going to go ahead and add in our vodka. So 1.5 cups of vodka into the same pot where we have the Kahlua and the sugar and the vanilla. Just whisk this together, and then at this point what you need to do is just let it cool and then use a funnel to transfer this into a container. So I have this big bottle here, and I will say that the batch that my original batch did not, there was more than what this bottle would hold. And so this bottle is from Hobby Lobby, but you could use any mason jars or any other container that you would like to use. I do recommend glass over plastic for this, and you can just store it, and it will, the longer it sits, the better it's going to taste. And I do recommend storing it in the refrigerator, but that's just so that it's always extra cold if you're ready, if you're going to be using it in a cold drink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here and go to theflipflopchef.com. Click the link to join my recipe group, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, you guys.